Why do we get hiccups right after a big meal and sometimes in the middle of a toast? A friend sits at the table, bites into pasta, and suddenly that embarrassing little hiccup rhythm starts. Hiccups arise when the diaphragm spasms and the glottis snaps shut, often triggered by rapid eating, carbonated drinks, or temperature changes. Most are harmless, as the reflex reshapes breathing temporarily, and soothing measures like slow sipping water can calm the nerve signals. Next time you hiccup after dinner, remember it's a tiny body tune-up, and wonder what other gymnastic reflexes hide in daily meals.